Hey guys, I'm Abby Sharp. Welcome to Abby's Kitchen. I'm a new mama, and let me tell you, the struggle is real. And one of the things that has really surprised me as being super difficult in motherhood is breastfeeding. Honestly, kill me. I've spent so many hours in the middle of the night Googling how to increase my milk supply, and I always come up with basically the same list of these so-called breastfeeding foods. Now, being a science-minded person, obviously I had to do my research, and I've done a lot of reading, and I haven't found any really good, strong, legit research to suggest that any of these foods really do improve your milk supply. But having said that, they're all super delicious, and they're all really, really good for us. And as breastfeeding mamas, we just need more nutrition in our day. Not to mention, when you put them all together into a cookie recipe, they are so good, you don't even care what they're for. Hey, I say mamas, you deserve all the cookies that you want. So today we are going to be making my favorite gluten-free, vegan, lactation-friendly cookies that are so delicious, even the daddies are going to want some. So let's do this. To a bowl, I add some gluten-free rolled oats, gluten-free all-purpose flour, brewer's yeast, ground flaxseed, cinnamon, nutmeg, ground ginger, baking soda, salt, and some baking powder, and I give that a good stir till it comes together. Then to my stand mixer, I soften up some vegan butter. Then I add some light brown sugar and cream them together until smooth. Next, I add some natural almond butter, some flax eggs, and some vanilla, and process that until it's nice and creamy. I add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients, and then I give everything a good stir until it forms a nice dough. Finally, it's time for our add-ins. I add some sliced almonds, some dark chocolate chunks, and some candied ginger, and give everything a good stir. Roll them into balls and place them about an inch apart on a baking sheet. Sprinkle them with a little bit of fleur de sel, and then pop them into a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And enjoy. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe for my lactation cookies. Hopefully your boobs are feeling extra full today. And hey, even if they don't really do anything for your breast milk supply, they're delicious, and that is reason enough to indulge. Well guys, if you like this video, be sure to give it the thumbs up. Leave me a comment below with some of your ideas for increasing your milk supply. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time on Abby's Kitchen. Bye!